You have felt it all day. Things are just a-changing around here at the one-year anniversary of Maine Premier Wrestling. Texarkana here with little Joey Nails here on the call for MPW. Heavyweight championship action. Wesley Pipes with potentially the biggest threat he's had on this championship run is Ace Romero. Challenges for the gold. You can see referee Eric Greenleaf holding it high, one of the richest prizes in Maine wrestling. That MPW World Heavyweight Championship, and I think we're about to get on the road, Joey Nails.
Yes, we are, Tex, and honestly, I mean, Wesley Pipes is going against a big challenge in Ace Romero, but he's already faced a big challenge taking that title from Perry Von Vicious, the human monster truck.
You're damn right. Perry provides quite a challenge, and I mean, the challenges have been racked up for Wesley Pipes, especially in recent months, of course. You can't deny the king of New England. Eric Johnson has been sniffing. He's got a contract at any time. You never know what Johnny Primer's going to be up to in this company. And hey, Stormy Savage has been making a name for himself. We saw it in the main event last time, that big tag team matchup with the Ultimate Males. I mean, he may be sniffing at a championship match here soon. Whoever walks out of this with the belt. Ace Romero, Wesley Pipes. And Wesley Pipes says, I'm going to do this on my time.
Yeah, he is doing it on his time, and that no-class Eric Bass is, well, just, I don't know, is he toweling him down, or what's...
You talk about a salty dog. I hate this no-class Eric Bass. His administrator is, I don't know, soul-seeking cowboy out here. I'm not sure what the hell he's doing, but he's always up to trouble.
Now, the only cowboy in Maine that I allow is the Donkey Boy Bandit.
That's what I'm saying. We're just talking about that no-good, no-class Eric Bass. And Wesley Pipes, I mean, he's someone put together, chiseled out of stone. What the hell you need that guy with the cowboy hat doing out here? What do you need him for? I haven't understood it from the start. I really haven't. I just don't get it. But, man, this guy, I mean, he's put up a hell of a resume thus far in MPW as we have eclipsed 1 year of MPW, and he's looking for a handshake. I don't know if I believe it.
If I were Ace Romero, I'm not trusting Wesley Pipes, especially since he's allied himself with the Ultimate Males. We saw in the last match how, honestly, that was no clean end. It just proves my point.
Look at how it turned out. He's got an anchor on the big man now. Side headlock from Wesley Pipes, who's got to navigate the storm here. Romero shoots him off the ropes. And see you later, pal. Down you go. Running into a brick wall right there. Sacco's own favorite son, Ace Romero. Off the ropes, dropped down from Pipes. Right back up to his feet. Lightning quick for a man of his size. For any man, that is. Romero, though, twice as quick here tonight. He is on a journey right now, and he will not be denied. Clothesline, and Wesley Pipes is now the one doing some soul searching out there. Eric Bass going to catch up with his client, and Romero, I think we're heading into Ace's favorite territory. We are heading to the floor, and Pipes, Bass looking for cover. Meet Ace Romero.
Oh my goodness, Ace Romero's uncorking a right hand, and of course no-class Eric Bass just running away at the first sign of danger. I'm not sure if I'm Wesley Pipes, if that bodes well for me throughout this match, if my insurance policy is that scared.
I'd be scared too. Romero in rare form here tonight. He has been motivated lately, and especially today. I mean, knowing the severity of the matchup, he got here early, getting himself prepared and ready for a match of this magnitude in his career. And Romero looking to the people here saying, I'll take a poll. Y'all want me to hit him one more time? Put me down on the list. Oh, hell.
And again, like with the size of Wesley Pipes, you'd think he wouldn't have to resort to those cheap tricks, but of course went for the eyes, and Ace is forced to retreat a bit, but not for long.
Whacked him. Make it twice over. Wesley Pipes getting butchered out there, and Romero, he is looking to be the one controlling this contest. Oh! And you can see referee Eric Greenleaf giving chase. We're heading out to the merchandise area. Oh! Taking out the trash!
Ace Romero, as of late, really favoring the trash can as a signature weapon, it seems. And I think Eric Greenleaf has to get control over this thing.
I think you got to loosen it up. I mean, Maine, we are here. Let's live life. It's the 1 year anniversary of Maine Premier Wrestling. Hell, let's ride it till the wheels come off. Romero whacks him, and you can see Greenleaf not even instituting a count. He's just following around the action. We need to see a winner here. Eric Bass running for the hills. Romero unleashing a slap, my goodness. About slap a tat right off him and puts Eric Bass at bay. Oh, baby. A little douse of water for you. How about it? Yep. Thirsty?
Oh my God! Wesley Pipes is looking for solace in the MPW fans, but then Ace Romero decided he looked a bit parched.
Hey man, you got to quench that thirst. I understand. Romero once again picking pipe. Oh, and again, and you said it, little Joey Nails. Oh! Oh my goodness! And now calling and looking for a timeout here. You see Eric Bass was looking to pick a spot right there, looking to pick the bones of Ace Romero after he got bopped, and I mean cranium first off the post. And now Wesley Pipes, now let's get that count rolling, brother. Yeah, how about it?
To Wesley Pipes, the rules only really apply when they're in his favor.
Yes, that's a great point. And whenever it's going his way, no good Eric Bass! Get him out of here! Slimy! This guy's a son of a gun.
And Eric Bass, as cowardly as he is, he has been able to pick and choose his moments to take advantage. And
what the hell's that bird that picks at a vulture?
Vulture.
There's a damn vulture. Absolutely picks at any scraps he sees. Romero able to reverse the whip. Still some hope. Wobbly on the legs at this point. Oh, Pipes got that thing right into the gullet.
Pipes it's trying to keep the momentum, but Ace has done a good job of just interrupting it, like just making sure that Pipes doesn't get too comfortable.
He's trying to smother him. Oh, and Romero says, I will not be smothered, you bald son of... See, okay, now it's rubbing off. The Bass hatred of me is rubbing off on the champion, and I do not want to take anything away from Wesley Pipes, who has been, respect to Perry Von Vicious, of course, the most dominant Maine Premier Wrestling heavyweight champion we have seen in our time. Romero, a legend of the sport here in the state of Maine, and Pipes trying to, once again, just steer this ship, gain control of this contest. Pipes, and now he's looking to flex the muscles, looking to show the strength. That's a big man to hoist.
Yep. Pipes is looking for a max rep, but it did not work out for him. And just, big European uppercut by Ace. And another. Are we going for number 3? And Pipes able to get him up.
Jiminy Cricket, man. That's a huge body slam. Follows it up with a leg drop. I've seen this before. And it does not spell victory for Wesley Pipes. You got to hit that thing, and you got to hit it right.
It's not going to, it just won't work, brother. And I got to say, now he's going back to the throw. And I think the only reason Pipes was able to get Romero up was because of the momentum, able to pick up Romero on the move and pick him up and drop him quick.
No doubt. It paid off. He's put himself in good positions thus far. That is being the champion, Wesley Pipes, of championship smarts. Pipes trying to put an anchor on Romero here, center of the ring, and he may have done it. You can see referee Eric Greenleaf has lifted it up once. He's lifted up twice now. It is pivotal. Pivotal here. Romero has life, and he does. And he does have life. That hand is raised. Romero. Still air going through the body, man. Blood is pumping. He's got to get to a vertical base. Fires off. Oh, man. You got to break free if you're Romero, and he does. Damn to hell. Oh!
Pipes tried to get, guys went to the arsenal one too many times.
That he did. Oh, baby! Big time Samoan drop from Romero. Both wrestlers are down with the richest prize in MPW on the line, the heavyweight championship of the world. And you can see no class Eric Bass. He is sweating in that, what would you call it, silky heart suit. He is having a conniption right now because his man is in deep water right now. And he is maintaining, but he is not able to swim much longer. I think Eric Bass knows that. Romero is hitting some of his best shots right here. And look at who's stirring first. That's Saco Maine's own Ace Romero. He is moving and grooving. We'll see if he can get to a vertical base.
Yep, Eric Bass is he seems worried. I mean, he's going to have to put that towel to good use to wipe the sweat off his brow. But I am unsure if Wesley Pipes is going to be able to come back from this barrage. He's running himself into these. And Ace Romero picking up momentum once again.
Romero with 2 straight lines, and he tells him how it is. Romero's got him back in the corner. Pipes into the corner. See you later, alligator. Back body drop, and Wesley Pipes is reeling. Listen to this place. The Old Town Rec Center is a madhouse. Bounce! Oh my goodness, welcome to the jungle. And what is this? Some hands all over. Eric Bass trying to get there. I don't think he could do it in time. Oh, man, that's about as close as you can get off the lariat from Romero. Just a 2 count from referee Eric Greenleaf. Somehow, some way, this match rolls on.
Romero's used that discus lariat or a lariat variation to finish off plenty of people, but Wesley Pipes able to just weather the storm and get the shoulder up last second.
Romero reaching to the skies. He is looking for the energy to get this thing to the finish line. The gold is in sight. He can taste it. He can see it. He can smell it. Romero looking for a specialty. He hits this thing, it's all over.
Oh, man, he's going for that. Oh, and a quick strike. He's going for that package pile driver, which going for the discus, and eats a boot.
That was a big boot right to the noggin. Championship still on the line. That is a 2 count any way you slice it from referee Eric Greenleaf.
And I got to give it to Greenleaf. And now this match is going to the deep end. Yeah, he's had plenty of real close counts here, but he's able to tell when that shoulder is up.
It's hard work. It's got to be honest work. Pipes teeing up for something big, and we've already seen him body slam Romero. I have no doubt he can hoist him up again. This dude is an animal. But maybe it was just too much. The back is killing him right now. Romero says, I don't care about your back. I don't care about any part of you. Package pile driver. Spike job right there. Oh, what the damn hell? What the damn hell? He's got his filthy paws all over it. What the hell is this guy doing? We got to send somebody out of here. And Romero is about to explode. How is that not a disqualification? Romero's on the floor. Eric Bass. I wouldn't be surprised if he soiled his britches at this point. Bass into the ring. Things are breaking down quickly. Eric Green. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Look at the champion. Look at the champion. Wow, you've got to be joking me, man. Championship off the skull. He calls over the ref. Oh! I got to be honest, I thought it was over.
Yep, I thought that was ball game, but it seems that Romero just built different. But, Wesley Pipes didn't even care, gets disqualified. What is this?
Wait a second. Pipes has got the championship. You hear that? Do you hear that, Little Joe? Do you hear that? What's happening here? This time the lights are on, but there's a music playing. You can see the champion stuff. Oh, wait a second.
Oh, my God. Return of the King.
That's King Eric. That's King. The King, Eric Johnson. And Little Joe, he's got a contract, don't forget. What's the King doing out here? Wesley Pipes is stunned. Has Eric Johnson just picked his spot? He's going to do it. He's handing over the crown.
Eric Johnson is cashing in his shot against Wesley Pipes for the heavyweight championship.
Oh, man! That's incredible! No class can't believe it. And I would not put my... Yes! Yes! Johnson has entered the fray. This is official. Ducks the bell. Scoops him up. Johnson special. Cover him. Cover him. We have got a new champion. Oh my heavens, what an event! What an event! Johnson cashes in the ultimate opportunist of Maine wrestling. I cannot believe it. The crowd is on their feet. The crowd is stunned. Everybody's stunned. Look at Romero in the corner. So many emotions. So many feelings. I can't even believe what we've just witnessed right here. 1 year of MPW. And wait a second. That's the owner. That's the owner, Neil Day, in the ring. He's got something in his hand, but Johnson's calling it Ace Romero. This could get testy, folks. Johnson explaining himself here to another long-time veteran of the Maine Mat Wars. And that's what you love to see. That's what you love to see. Had Romero been in the same position, would he do the same thing? Shaking the hand of Johnson. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And it looks like, folks, the owner of the company, Neil Day, is signaling for the microphone. We're going to turn it over to ringside. He's got something to say and something to present here to Eric.
Well, congratulations, Eric. He's the 2024 King of New England winner. Wesley Pipes, who beat Chris Masters, Mr. Anderson, and many more. So, a new year in MPW means new champion and new championship. I now present you with the brand new MPW Heavyweight Championship.